In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure Outlook email in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and look toward the upper left corner of your screen. There, you'll find your Workspace avatar. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you can access a variety of Workspace level options and settings. So if you're ever looking for integrations or account-related tools, this is a useful place to begin. Once that menu opens, select Apps. This will take you into the App Center, which is the area in ClickUp where you can browse and manage different integrations and connected tools. If you plan to connect external services to support your workflow, this is the section you'll be using most often. Take a moment to make sure the App Center has fully loaded so you can search smoothly and avoid clicking the wrong option. Next, use the search bar and type in Outlook email. Searching directly is the fastest way to find the exact app you need, especially if your App Center contains many available integrations. As you type, ClickUp should begin filtering the results, making it easier to spot the correct option. Be sure to choose Outlook email specifically so you're configuring the right connection. When you see Outlook email in the results, click on it to open the app page. This page typically gives you a quick overview of the integration and lets you begin the setup process. From there, click Configure. This is the option that starts the connection process and allows you to set up Outlook email for your ClickUp workspace. Depending on your account permissions, you may need the appropriate access level to complete this setup. If the Configure button is unavailable or you don't have permission to proceed, you may need to contact your Workspace admin. It's also a good idea to confirm that you're signed into the correct ClickUp workspace before making changes, especially if you manage more than one. And that's it. Once you've reached the Configure option, you're in the right place to continue connecting Outlook email inside ClickUp. This is a simple process, but following each step carefully helps ensure everything is set up correctly from the beginning. Thanks for watching.